everyone, welcome to my another vlog. For today's vlog, we will talk about the introduction to media and information literacy. So let's start. So let us define media and information literacy. Media and information literacy, it is linked to access to information, free expression, and education. Media and information literacy, or MIL, defined as the ability to access, analyze, and create media. It is the prerequisite for citizens to realize their rights to freedom of information and expression. And here are the important terms. Number 1 is media. 2. Literacy. 3. Media literacy. 4. Information. 5. Information literacy. And 6 is technology literacy. So first is the definition of media. So what is media? Media, it is the physical object used to communicate with, or the mass communication physical objects such as radio, television, computers, films, and etc. It also refers to any physical object used to communicate messages. Second is literacy. So what is literacy? Literacy is the ability to identify, understand, interpret, create, and communicate using printed, written materials and other means associated with varying contexts. Literacy involves a continuum of learning wherein individuals are able to achieve their goals, develop their knowledge and potential, participate fully in their communication and wider society. The third is media literacy. Media literacy is a first-century advent to education. It is the understanding to access, analyze, evaluate, create, reflect, and act using all forms of communication. It is an effective and engaging way to employ critical thinking skills to a wide range of issues. So we have here the components of media literacy. So first is to access, next is to analyze and evaluate, next is to create, next is to reflect, and last is to act. 5 is information. Information is a broad term that covers processed data, knowledge derived from study, experience, instruction, signals, or symbols. What is information literacy? It is a set of skills requiring people to recognize when information is needed and have the ability to locate, evaluate, and use effectively the needed information. So here are the components of information literacy. So we have critical thinking, problem solving, communication, synthesis, and technology. 10 ways of communication in this communication. First is we have Twitter, Facebook status, Facebook message, email, text message, IM, letter, phone, video chat, and talking. So let us talk about technology literacy. Technology literacy is the skill of the person working independently and with others. The responsibility appropriately and effectively uses technology tools to access, manage, integrate, create, and communicate information. It is the summary of discussion. So first is media. Media, so we define media as a communication tool, so this is where to get information that we need. Second is literacy. Literacy is our skill or ability to understand, interpret, analyze, and evaluate particular information. And third is media literacy. It is our skill in understanding, analyzing, accessing, creating a various form of media. 4 is information. Defined as a term that are used to define knowledge that we get to study instruction. So data collected from a particular study can also be sound, signals, and symbol. 5 is information literacy. It is our ability to locate information, to understand information, to effectively use the information. And the last one is technology literacy. It is our skill on how to work in various forms of technology. It is our ability to understand this modern technology works, and it is our ability to use it effectively in particular purpose. And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe and click the notification bells para updated kayo to my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.